How to make your performance visible without talking. Being visible within an organization is important performance-wise. If not, you are likely to miss out opportunities to improve your skills and take on interesting assignments despite your hard work and good performance, thereby losing on possible growth opportunities. It's always advisable to avoid bragging about yourself and get noticed through some important work around activities that are certain to pay off well. Homework or say research on the company. Homework, the thumb rule, can help you develop important skills like working independently, using time wisely, and also improving memory. It can also help to reduce stress as you get a bit more knowledge. One should be able to learn new things from peers and supervisors and develop your skill set. Whereas advice from the expert is to research on the company that lets you know its culture, needs, business interests. It's a sort of SWOT analysis for the company. Let me know if we should have a session on SWOT analysis sometime soon in the comments. You can have a background understanding and knowledge of the company. This becomes an advantage to interact with senior and old timers in the company, which still facilitates more information gathering about the company. This knowledge about the company will certainly yield a better appraisal next time, provided you focus only on the positive information of the company. Current business interests. You should better know your company's current business interests in order to work efficiently to better understanding about what to expect from different departments within the company and external associates as well. Expansion possibilities for the organization. Your homework coupled with current business interests will bring you the opportunity to get connected with people, ideas, experience and places which are going to evolve new opportunities for the organization. These opportunities can be discussed at the most opportune time with the decision makers when asked for or during appraisal process. This much preparedness with you is treated as a certain indicator about your commitment to the company's growth prospects. When such expansion opportunities are accepted by the management for implementation on things become clear, that's your growth and progress within the company. Benefit for the company are linked with skill development of the employees. When you are able to cement your position in the company with all your hard work through background preparation, it's company's turn now to give it back your deserving skill development roadmap. Again, at the interest of the company's further growth possibilities, which means company is now proactive with its approach for your skill development in line with proposed higher responsibility plan for you. Of course, higher responsibilities come along with greater authority and compensation as well. Culture developed by trendsetters. Silent workers, when appreciated with rewards like promotion and position, they become the trendsetters to create new policies with respect to the benefits for the company. Focus on skills of manpower that can be targeted for employees can be developed over the time. Rules, incentives, roles and systems play a major role in benefiting the company, whereas all the policies are developed while trying to appreciate, reward and award the trendsetters thus discussed.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.